So do you market that particular service specifically? And do you think it brought in new customers that may not have come to your mat otherwise?
In a way, the way I go about it is using photos of it. It's our main purpose there is laundry. So I got to never let go of that site, that laundry is what we do, not selling soap. It's always a side thing. It's almost like an addition to, hey, come in, we got clean washers and dryers, and we got we sell curated soap. So it's always like an accessory and add-on. I'll never advertise it directly that come there just for that reason. Yeah, I like to keep my marketing focused, but I like to throw in a little bit of snippets here and there on it.
Yeah, the bonus, maybe the bonus that other laundromats don't offer in your area. How about you, Matt? I know you definitely have customers that come in that may not have otherwise if they're coming in to play video games and sit in the chair. But do you guys market the massage chair, or it's just sort of something they find when they come in?
You know, the marketing is, we don't put any ads out on specifically the massage chair. We really focus our marketing that we would pay physical dollars for. We kind of partner with community donations and charities and groups. We really like to, be seen as an integral part of the community. So when the football team is selling spots on their t-shirts, or we get a charity golf scramble or things like that, we always jump on that stuff. Or the Lions are doing something, we get a lot of we do a lot of, I guess, printed that way. We don't do radio, we don't do paid newspaper ads. We do it that way. But again, the marketing is kind of like guerrilla marketing. While we're in the store itself, we push that, or we always try to push, the first and foremost, we always push for a clean, well lighted, friendly, and convenient laundromat. As far as bad experiences, we try to curb those very quickly. We take customer complaints, which are kind of few and far between, very seriously. Myself or my wife will, or my one attendant, who's a lot more popular than I am, will personally talk to anybody who has a complaint, and we'll make it right. I think we've very, very few customers, we kind of notice the trend. They're kind of constant complainers, and we just still very nice to them. So kind of tell them say what you mean, but don't say it mean, kind of thing is the saying. And if they want to try a different laundromat, see if it's better, then go ahead and do that. And that curves it right away, because people say no, we like coming here. But it's always that, just kind of I think I've said it on previous webinars too. It doesn't really cost much to put an extra quarter or two in the dryer for somebody, or give them a free soda, or give them a massage every now and then, and word gets out. It just kind of helps the brand as far as being a good place to come. And obviously keep it, like I said, clean, comfortable, well lighted, and friendly. It's always positive.
I'd like to add one more thing to mine. I forgot. So like when I do some other ancillary services like wedding dresses or leather or something like that, we have sandwich board signs. So we put those out on the road, and you can change the message really cheaply. And you can also add your main focus of marketing, but on there, so someone thinks like, hey, when they're headed out to the car, oh yeah, they do leather or wedding dresses or horse blankets. Kind of gets them thinking. So it's a very cheap way to advertise, and just kind of have it there consistently, and then someone will see it, and eventually they'll just bring something in, like, hey, got my wedding dress, need it cleaned, or they'll talk to someone else. So kind of the repetition of marketing, and you can do it very cheaply, like with sandwich boards is what I use mainly for like the ancillary services.
Yeah, good idea, because they're already your customer, so now you're just growing the things they're bringing in.